live at the command center, jwsolarusa. Today, my buddy here and I are gonna be doing the same thing. Windshield washer fluid pump was out, so since we replaced the headlights, so we ordered a pump so we can just put it in. You can find it on the left-hand corner of your right-hand corner of your driver's side. Every vehicle has that. So guys, we ordered the pump. Let me show you. So we jump into Rock Auto, and if you go online, www.rockauto.com. So we ordered the part, which is really cheap, so, and costs only about $18 for the pump. So if you look at here, I was saying in the specs, you can see we have the front and rear. The front is where sprays on your windshield, and the rear for the rear wiper. If you don't have a rear one, you're only gonna have one nozzle. So since I have a rear wiper, because it's an archback, so I have to have the rear wiper. So this is my rear and this is the front. So here goes in, there is a seal that's supposed to go in here, and the seal left on the reservoir. So this is the switch where you can plug the plug-in for the wire. So let's see the new one, see how this one is kind of like burnt out. So let's check this one out, the new one. And what happened here, Rock Auto even sent me extra nozzle on it. You see some rubber hose. So if you look at this, they're all identical. Here, look at the plug. I'm gonna set this one. See this one? It has been there for longest time, since the car was manufactured, and this is how they look like. And guys, we got this one figured out. It's an easy part to do. The only thing, you gotta go underneath the car, and this is here you can see. So we already have the rear. It's already plugged in. So see rear right here, and this is gonna be the front. I think just to try to make you not to be confused or whatever. So this is what it is. So we look at the specs right now. You see the specs right there. It's made by a Hyundai and Kia. So look at it closely. I'm gonna take the old one and show it back to you and see exactly what it is. So let's go back here, guys. This is what the old one looks like. Okay, see that? I think it's the same. Everything is the same. Windshield washer and rear RR. So let's check this one again. It's gonna say the same thing again. See, W/S and RR. So this is the part. This is a brand new thing, brand new product. So we hope everything's gonna work, and I'm gonna give you the result. Stay tuned. Live from the command center of the jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Love, like, and subscribe. Check this out, guys. So these are the connections. So this pump is gonna be going this direction. See this? There's a kind of mesh there, the filter stuff, and it goes this direction, and this jack or plug is gonna go here, and this is the rear and this is the front. So that's why this one is here, indicate the front and the rear. So right here you see what it says right here, F and R. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm gonna stick it in. So see, everything is okay. The bushing is still there, or the rubber. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna install this one first. Yeah, I'm gonna install this one first. Make sure this hose is in. So make sure, not just snuggle, make sure it's all the way in. And this one goes to the rear and all the way in. Make sure it's secure. And now we're gonna push it all the way to the black hose right there, which is the rubber bushing, and it's gonna anchor right on this latch right here, locked in up here. So I'm just gonna push it in all the way in. There you go. You hear that notch latches? Make sure it's secured. It has a two protecting thing here, the rubber cut that stabilizes the one whole thing. And this deal is already in, so I just want to do some wire management here. And I'm gonna take this this plug right here and plug it in, you know, and make sure it corresponds right. Hear that click? So it latches right. So make sure again, push it in one more time, and we are done, guys. So I don't know this wire management. I'm gonna adjust a little bit. Don't make it too tight, and so they can be on the wheel wall. And everything is good to go. Balance this guy right, and that's how it is. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Right, now we're gonna be pouring the solution here, which is the windshield washer fluid. Well, anytime you do this, make sure don't pour too much, because if it doesn't work, so you don't have to waste the entire thing again. So what we're gonna do, and check it down here and see if we have enough to reach the pump. I think it's still low. Yeah, it's still low. It's right in the corner right there, just above the pump.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
So okay, maybe we can give it a shot
now
and see.
Try it right now.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. Yep, it's working.
It's working.
Okay, top it off.
All right, and it's all done. Thanks for watching.